Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got a melting candle rainbow cake for you today. Awesome! So colourful. We start with a ready-made cake already iced to go. Then we get some green buttercream icing and melt it in the microwave, drizzling it on the cake with a spoon. Placing it here and there, letting it drip down the sides. And there you have the wonderful effect of melted wax. Let's go for blue next. So we're going to add lots and lots of colour onto this. Perhaps if you're making it for a princess themed party, you could do pinks and lilacs. Perhaps if it was a Spider-Man themed party, it could be red and black. Whichever colours you like, but we're doing rainbow colours, so lots and lots of different colours on our cake. You see it's starting to set already. It really does look like wax, doesn't it? Awesome! Now for yellow. Super bright. You could do it all one colour if you wanted, but we do like a bit of rainbow. Orange next. Get in there. Amazing! Going for purple. We are almost there with our icing. It really does look like melted wax. And last but not least, we're adding red. Perfect! Now time to stick in some candles. So we've got candles which are matching the icing colour. So it is going to look like the candles have actually melted down the sides of the cake. All the colours in there. Brilliant. Now let's add some thinner ones. Makes it all the more interesting. Excellent! And drizzle on some more icing, creating a kind of 3D layer. Make sure you put each coloured icing next to the same coloured candle so it looks like that candle is melting and dripping down the sides. There we go, just layering it up. Slightly overlapping the colours as well, so it looks like dripping wax. And then just keep going, colour by colour. It's looking like an amazing work of art. Almost done. There! Let's add some smaller candles now. And it's ready! Melting candle rainbow cake. Wow! What a colourful piece of art! Almost too good to cut into. Well, almost. Why don't you have a go? Enjoy!